You just signed the paperwork on a brand new RV. Doesn't matter if it's a Class A, a Class B, a camper van, a bumper pull trailer, or one of the off-road trailers built for getting way off the pavement. You paid full price for a unit with 0 miles on it, and it came with a manufacturer's warranty. Then something breaks. Maybe it's a slide out that won't seal. Maybe it's water intrusion around a window. Maybe it's a frame issue on an off-road trailer that shouldn't be flexing the way it is. You call about warranty repair, and suddenly you're getting answers that don't add up. Repair delays with no explanation, a demand that you use one specific dealer 3 states away, or a hint that using an aftermarket part somehow voided your coverage. Here's what almost nobody tells new RV buyers. There's a federal law that governs exactly what a written warranty is allowed to say and do. It's called the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, and if you own an RV, it already applies to you, whether your warranted booklet mentions it or not. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act was passed by Congress in 1975, and it's enforced by the Federal Trade Commission. It's codified in federal law at 15 U.S.C. Section 2301 and following sections. Here's the important part. The law does not force any manufacturer to offer a warranty in the first place. What it does is set the rules for what happens once a manufacturer chooses to put a promise in writing. Once that written warranty exists, Magnuson-Moss controls how it has to be disclosed, and what it's allowed to say and what it's not allowed to take away from you. This applies to RVs specifically. Motorhomes, travel trailers, and off-road trailers are all consumer products under this law, and it covers both the coach, the living space, and separately, the chassis, if a different manufacturer built that part. Every written warranty covered by this law has to be labeled one of 2 ways: right on the document, not buried in fine print, full warranty or limited warranty. A full warranty is the stronger of the 2. Under a full warranty, the manufacturer has to fix a defect within a reasonable time at no cost to you. That includes parts, labor, and in many cases, shipping. If they can't fix it after a reasonable number of attempts, you're entitled to a replacement or a refund. That's the federal lemon remedy baked directly into the act. A limited warranty is what almost every manufacturer actually offers. A limited warranty can restrict what's covered, for how long, and under what conditions, as long as those restrictions are clearly spelled out. This is normal. It's not automatically a red flag, but it means your specific rights live inside the words of that document. So reading it matters more than most buyers realize. Here's the label that's easy to miss. If your warranty doesn't say full anywhere, assume it's limited and go read exactly what it promises. Separate from anything written down, most states also give you an implied warranty of merchantability, a baseline legal promise that a product you bought new is reasonably fit for its ordinary purpose. For an RV, that means built to be lived in and towed or driven safely. Magnuson-Moss does something powerful here. If a manufacturer gives you a written warranty, they are not allowed to disclaim or wipe out that implied warranty underneath it. They can't hand you a piece of paper that quietly cancels out your basic state law protections. That implied warranty rides alongside the written one for at least as long as the written warranty runs. This is the one I want every new owner to actually remember. Magnuson-Moss prohibits what's called a tie-in sales provision. In plain language, a manufacturer generally cannot void your warranty just because you used a non-OEM part or had the work done by an independent repair shop instead of their authorized dealer, unless they're providing that specific part or service to you for free, or they've gotten a specific waiver from the FTC. The FTC has been actively enforcing this. Starting in 2021, they made it a stated priority to go after manufacturers using warranty void if removed language or steering owners into brand-only service networks to protect warranty coverage. If a service writer tells you flatly that an independent shop or non-OEM part automatically kills your warranty, that claim itself may not hold up. If a manufacturer breaches the warranty, full or limited, Magnuson-Moss gives you a federal right to use, a federal right to sue, and it includes something most consumer laws don't, a fee-shifting provision. If you win, the manufacturer can be on the hook for your attorney's fees, not just repair costs. That single provision is a big part of why this law has teeth. It makes it financially realistic for an individual owner to challenge a manufacturer. Most warranties also route you through an informal dispute resolution process first, a step defined under the FTC's own regulations. It's usually faster and cheaper than a lawsuit, and for a lot of owners, it's worth trying before anything more formal. And states add another layer on top of this. Many states have their own lemon laws that apply to RVs, though coverage varies a lot. Some cover the full coach, some only the drivable chassis, some exclude RVs from the lemon law entirely. Magnuson-Moss is the federal floor everyone stands on. Your state law might give you more. None of this means every warranty dispute turns into a lawsuit, and it doesn't mean manufacturers are acting in bad faith by default. Most repairs get handled the normal way, but when they don't, when you're getting the runaround, being told to drive a rig you can't safely move, or hearing that a part you didn't buy from them voided your coverage, you're not guessing at your rights anymore. You know the name of the law, you know what it actually requires, and you know where the line is. Document everything, get it in writing, and don't let anyone talk you out of protections that already belong to you.